All right, let's take a look at the comic books I've sold on eBay in the last month. I sold a Wolverine number 10 in near mint condition for 23 bucks. I sold Fantastic Four number 120 in very good fine condition for 14 bucks. I sold a J. Scott Campbell art book. It had a little dent on the bottom of the book. I sold it for 20 bucks. I sold a Fine Plus copy of Amazing Spider-Man number 58. A really nice looking copy. It would grade higher, but had a little stain on the bottom of the corner. But 63 bucks, I'm happy with that. I sold a Famous Monsters of Filmland. What number was this? Number 43 in very good shape for 13 bucks. I sold Venom number 35 or number 200 legacy number. It was in very fine condition for 9 bucks. I sold a near mint copy of Spawn number 1 for 20 bucks. It says 25, but it was a best offer, so I actually got 20 out of it. I sold the Army of Darkness Ash's Christmas Horror comic in very fine condition for 14 bucks. I sold a Daredevil number 46 in very good shape for 9 bucks. I sold a Marvel Previews Presents number 3, the Awesome Blade cover, in fine condition for $25. I sold this really awesome Immortal She-Hulk number 1 signed by Lee and Hyuk for 30 bucks. I sold this really awesome looking Famous Fantastic Mysteries pulp for 60 bucks. I sold Captain America number 104 in very good plus condition for $15. I sold this pretty decent Avengers number 26 in very good plus condition for $15. I sold this Harley Quinn 30th anniversary foil comic for 26 bucks. I sold this Groo number 114 in very fine minus condition for $10. I sold this Groo the Wanderer number 110 in fine, very fine condition for 10 bucks. I sold this Frank Miller 300 signed by him for $30. I sold this Amazing Spider-Man number 678. This one had a big dent on the spine, so it's only very fine minus condition. I sold it for $17. They made an offer on it. I sold this nice looking copy of Daredevil number 81 in fine, very fine condition for 18 bucks. It just had a little tear on the back cover by the staple. Other than that tear, it actually looked really nice. I sold The Crow, the Midnight Legends Dead Time graphic novel in very fine condition for $18. I sold Daredevil number 105 in very good fine condition for 13 bucks. I sold Peter Parker the Spectacular Spider-Man number 24 in fine condition for $10. I sold Groo the Wanderer number 117 in very fine condition for 10 bucks. I sold the Sweetheart Stories pulp. The front cover was detached and the back cover was missing, so very low grade, but I still got $10 out of it. I sold this Blue Book magazine pulp for 30 bucks. I sold this Famous Monsters of Filmland number 112 in fine, very fine condition for $25. I sold this Groo the Wanderer number 119 in near mint minus condition for 20 bucks. I sold this Groo the Wanderer number 117 in very fine condition for $10. I sold this Galacta Daughter of Galactus in very fine near mint condition for 50 bucks. I sold this Life and Times of Death Heads graphic novel for 19 bucks. I sold Uncle Scrooge number 10 in very good minus condition for $10. I sold this Vampirus Carmilla magazine number 1 in very fine near mint condition for $13. I sold this J. Scott Campbell art book, brand new unopened, for 50 bucks. I sold this Daredevil number 2 in near mint minus condition for $10. I sold this What If Avengers number 108 for $15. I sold the Street and Smith's Complete Stories pulp, low grade, but I got 40 bucks out, well, $39 out of it. I sold this Invincible 131 in very fine condition for 12 bucks. I sold this Girls and Corpse magazines. What number is this? Number 9 for 19 bucks. It had, I think, a little tear on the back cover. Oh yeah, let's look at it. Original Peach Momoko artwork. So this is one of her earliest artworks. 19 bucks. It did have a little tear on the back cover, but even with the little tear, I still got $19 of it. I sold Batman number 700 in near mint condition for $11. I sold J. Scott Campbell art book, brand new unopened, for 40 bucks. I sold Daredevil number 20 in very good plus condition for $22. I sold House of Secrets. That's a pretty big key issue, first appearance in Swamp Thing, in, I believe it was very good condition for $810. I sold Daredevil number 30 in good, very good condition for 20 bucks. I sold Batman number 89, first appearance of Punchline, in near mint minus condition for $11. I sold a Nightmare on Elm Street comic book in very fine condition for $13. I sold The Adventures of the Fly number 8 in very good condition for $10. I sold Fantastic Four number 61 in very fine minus condition for $30. I sold Thor 141 in very good plus condition for $19. I sold Fantastic Four number 59 in very good minus condition for $20. I sold Luke Cage Power Man number 19, first appearance of Cottonmouth, in very fine condition for $10. I sold a Shogun Warriors number 1 in very fine to near mint condition for, it says 19 here, but I think I took an offer at $18. I sold a Usagi Jimbo number 1, the really cool Spider-Man 1 homage, a KRS comic exclusive in near mint condition for $20. If you want to check out what I have for sale on eBay, I'll put a link in the first comment.